Ever wondered how to efficiently fulfill orders on Spocket and keep your customers happy? Let's dive in and uncover the secrets. Spocket is a fantastic platform for dropshipping, but fulfilling orders efficiently is key to running a successful business. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to fulfill orders on Spocket. Step 1. Understanding your orders. Check your Spocket dashboard. Regularly check your Spocket dashboard for new orders. Review order details. Pay close attention to the product details, quantity, shipping address, and any special instructions. Step 2. Processing the order. Mark the order as fulfilled. Once you've reviewed the order details, mark it as fulfilled on Spocket. This action will notify the supplier to start processing the order. Communicate with your customer. Send a confirmation email to your customer, including the order details and an estimated shipping time. Step 3. Monitoring order fulfillment. Track order status. Use Spocket's built-in tracking system to monitor the progress of your order. Communicate with your supplier. If necessary, if you encounter any issues or have specific requests, reach out to your supplier through Spocket's messaging system. Step 4. Handling potential issues. Damaged or incorrect items. In case of issues with the product, coordinate with your supplier to resolve the problem and send a replacement. Customer inquiries. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and professionally. Tips for efficient order fulfillment. Organize your workflow. Create a system to efficiently process orders. Use automation tools. Utilize tools like Zapier to automate tasks like order confirmation emails. Build strong relationships with suppliers. Good relationships with suppliers can lead to faster processing times and better support. Offer excellent customer service. Respond to customer inquiries quickly and provide helpful solutions. By following these steps and incorporating these tips, you can streamline your order fulfillment process on Spocket and ensure a seamless experience for your customers. Remember, efficient order fulfillment is crucial for building a successful dropshipping business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.